Hey friends, do you also want to earn income online by just sitting at home and you want to be a YouTube content creator? Then this video is for you, right? Here we are going to learn how to make money with YouTube Shorts, right? Income basically depends on RPM. Many times students ask me, sir, on which topic, on which niche I should create content, right, which give me lots of money. No, each and every topic or content doesn't give same value. You need to focus on those topics having high RPM, right? Audience quality, location, and advertisers brand or demand also matters a lot, right? If you are creating comedy content and like there are very much less advertisers who want to showcase their ads on comedy content, then obviously you are going to earn lesser in comparison to a YouTube content creator who is creating videos on the tech topic, right? Because there are too much tech companies who want to run their ad in between the videos related to tech topic, right? You need to understand the topic, which kind of topic you should choose before creating videos on YouTube or shorts on YouTube. You need to understand the monetization opportunities, like music uses earn revenue when licensed music is used in these short content. You can create some good music for YouTube shorts and you can monetize your music as well. And you can also use early monetization method like access early monetization program before full eligibility is reached. The next is platform feature. Leverage additional platform features to unlock new income streams. Monetization requirement is 1000 subscriber. You need to build your YouTube channel subscriber to 1000 before the income starts, right? You need to build 1k subscribers and you need to build 10 million short views on your YouTube channel, or you can complete the watch hours of 4000 for getting eligible for the monetization policy of YouTube. You should choose a profitable niche, right? Viral in demand, consistent content. You can post content consistently to keep earning revenue consistently. Else what would happen? You will generate good revenue in the beginning and later on the revenue will keep decreasing because you are not posting content consistently. You need to post content consistently because no one knows which content will go viral and will bring lots of revenue. Advertiser value matters a lot. You should create content in niches like finance, motivation, and education for higher RPM. Next, coming to the channel creation and optimization part, right? I have seen many content creator who just create content using the mobile phone camera and then they post the content on the YouTube from their mobile phone itself. Don't do that, right? Start doing keyword research, right? You should understand the niche and then you should use the Google Ads keyword planner or vidIQ to research which keyword is having higher search volume and then start creating content on those topics, right? You need to optimize your YouTube channel, you need to SEO optimize your YouTube videos as well as channel. You need to optimize your thumbnails and the posting time matters a lot. You need to train the algorithm, right? Start creating high quality content, high quality shorts, focus on strong topics in your niche, do keyword research, use storytelling method, and editing should be good, right? Editing should be extremely good. Use fast cuts, captions, and music to maximize the retention of viewers on your YouTube short. And your presentation should be clear, it should not be ambiguous, right? Like it means users who are watching your videos should understand your content. Your content must be clear, not ambiguous, right? You should focus on the retention rate, engagement rate, and overall content performance. Like you should understand the key metrics like CTR, click through rate. You should focus on tracking the views and impression, like how many impression your YouTube short is getting and how many YouTube short views you are getting, right? Then you automatically you will understand what role a thumbnail have, right? So for if you create good thumbnails, then automatically your CTR would increase, right? The number of views among the impression would automatically increase, and you should also focus on likes, comments, and shares. Use shout outs in your videos, use questions in your videos or shorts, right? So that automatically the audience watching that particular short answer those questions in the comments, and the engagement metrics start performing. Posting strategy matters a lot, right? You should post one to short per day and then gradually increase the volume, right? Don't overpost the content on your YouTube channel. Scaling and outsourcing. If you think you're not good with editing, just outsource the editing part to someone, right? Use freelancers, right? And if any of your content is performing well, then start creating on that particular topic first, right? Instead of covering all the topics in your niche, you should start creating content on the subtopics that are performing well on YouTube, right? For example, if I belong to a digital marketing niche, right, then I will create videos on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, website designing, SEO, Google My Business, and like YouTube marketing, AI. And if I find like lots of viewers are watching Facebook ads, then first of all prioritize Facebook ads, right? Start creating content on that particular topic. And if in that particular topic there are subtopics and there are few subtopics which are getting more views, right, then start creating content on that particular subtopic. In my case, I'm just creating content more on the WhatsApp API because my YouTube channel is experiencing good views in WhatsApp API subtopic, right? So you need to understand which kind of content is performing well. And the power of consistency and volume is that you need to make content consistently. You need to reach new viewers so that they can start subscribing your YouTube channel, and your YouTube videos or shorts can be discovered more, right? And success will take time, so keep patience and start uploading your YouTube shorts from today itself. If you want to learn digital marketing in detail, then I have added my website link in video description.
इस टॉपिक के बारे में और डिटेल में पढ़ने के लिए या हमारे ऑनलाइन कोर्स में एडमिशन लेने के लिए वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक करें। धन्यवाद।